Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the Google account that controls the channel. This gives you access to the correct identifiers. Once signed in, open the channel homepage or YouTube Studio to begin. Make sure you identify whether the channel is a brand account or a personal account because the ID locations differ slightly. Now, navigate directly to the channel page. That keeps you on the exact URL. We'll inspect next for the unique ID value. Once on the channel page, look at the browser address bar. If you see /channel/ followed by a long alphanumeric string, that string is the channel ID. If the URL shows a custom name instead, go to YouTube Studio, open Settings, select Channel, then Advanced Settings to reveal the channel ID. This is important because custom URLs hide the raw ID in the address bar. Using Studio guarantees you find the canonical identifier every time. After you copy the channel ID, paste it somewhere safe and confirm it matches the 24-character alphanumeric pattern. The ID is case-sensitive, so accuracy matters. Use that ID for API requests, embed codes, analytics, or linking accounts. If you don't see an ID in Studio, sign out and sign back in, check that you're in the correct brand account, or verify you have owner permissions. Those issues commonly prevent the ID from appearing. If problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.